So we have been able to get this particular job ready like this, as you can see, something like this, just simple job, but we have not been able to bring out the beauty from this job. So let's keep it at home. What's the next feature we have not added? So let's see from our view. Okay, so we can come here and let's see how we can play with some extrude and sketch, though we're not giving all the. So let's work on the body. Let's see how we can work on the body. Okay, let's go. So I'll come here, I'll click on sketch, rectangle. I'll just come here, something small, come to this area, something small again. To make job easier for us, watch this. I'll come here, here, and here equal, here, and here equal, cancel. That's already been constrained here, and here equal. So cancel, they have already been constrained. So dimension, I'll just dimension from here to here. I'll say 25. Okay with that. I'll come here to here. You're not seeing properly 25. So I'm okay with that. Then the dimension here, from here, I'll say okay, let me work with 100. Okay. So certainly if I click here too, it will be 100. So no need for that. Then from here, okay, for dimension, from here to here, I'll make it 25, 25. So if I also try to do from here to here, it will still be 25. So let's check here. From here, okay, dimension from here to here, it will be 25. So we don't need to do this because they are already say fully constrained. So what's the next thing? Come to extrude. Where am I extruding? Here, one, here. So just extruding backward, just inside. So from the inside, flip. So just go inside a little, check. So we have these two. So just start here. Let's see how we can start bringing out the. Okay. When I'm done, I'll see how I can start to bring out, start adding one or two colors, and we start zooming again from here to here. The doors that will not make as an assemble. Just let me just show you how it works. So equal, we'll come here to here equal, and here to here equal. Okay, cancel. And let's start dimension from here to here. Let's make it 35. Then from here to here, let's make it 35. Okay. Then from here to here, make it 40. From here to here, make it 40. So I have something like, oh, it's two down. Come here, two down. Let's make it to 5. 5. Coming down, yeah. Then from here, come here. Let me make it to 5. 5. I'm okay with this. Then this length, let me see, 270. This I 270, 270, 300, 300, 300. I'm comfortable with it now. So I'll come to 3D model and I'll click extrude. The new cut, okay, cut, yeah, cut. So click here, and I'll do the reverse now. So you guys just 5, that's something little. We're good to go with this. So something like this now. Then come here now. So let's see how it looks first on the other on our sketch. So the cycle will be here and here. So okay. Let's add something. Come here, sketch. Come to this cycle, watch. I come here, put the cycle. I come here, I put the cycle. I come to dimension, watch. Click here, 35. I come to this area, 35. Now watch this. I want to dimension from here to here. Let me see 50. Let's say it works close. Okay, so not for enough. From here to here, 50. Okay. So I extrude a little. Extrude. What am I extruding? Here, 1. I come to this area, 2. So extrude. Okay, let's add a little 20. Okay, let's see. It's too small. Okay. Okay. So we have something like this now. As you can see, we have something like this. What's the next step? We have been able to do this Okay, so we can come here now. Let's check. Watch. So we have something like this. Can we add the legs? Let's add the legs. Let's add the legs. So I have to rotate. I come to this part and sketch. Cycle here. Just add one. I can decide to mirror. 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we can make them equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. All equal. So escape now. So let's dimension this 30. Small, very small. Let me dimension from here to here. Let's see 50. 50. From here to here. 50. From this point to this point. 50. Then from this point to this point. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Then from here to here, let's say 50. Watch. From here to here, let's make it 50. Come here again. From here to here is 50. Come to this side from here to here. We have done that before. From this point to this point. Okay, dimension from here to here, 50. So we have something like this now. That 50, 50, 50. Have we dimension here? Okay, that's not the dimension for that. It's supposed to be 30. 30. So we're cool with this now. 30. Then go to 3D model, extrude. Let's see. So let me see if I impute 100. So what am I extruding? 1, 2. Oh no. Cancel. Extrude. Watch. 1. Take your time. 2. So don't click the wrong thing. 3. Come here. 4. What's the length? 100. So we have something like this there. Let's add some, make it 20. Oh, it's too, make it 10. No, it's not good. Or just 0. 0. Maybe I'll just add a little fillet. So I have something like this now. So I've been able to get this. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Card Baron. For this particular video, this is what we'll be doing today. So as you can see, I'll show you guys how to do this particular job. So let's see how we can be able to do this. So we'll start. So we didn't use any other parts, all of them were just fixed. So I'll be showing you how it looks. So like this, watch please. So if we have something like this, so like this now, so I'm to show you this part, then the front. So we'll make some adjustment in the other one we want to do. Okay, let me just rotate it. So we have something like this. Then if we come to this home, so we're going to have something like this. Now watch please. So this is what we have. So first, let's see how we can be able to play around with this dimension. So this dimension is 4321016. So file, click on new, standard, create. Okay, so what do we have? 4321016. Okay, so come to this part. I'll use a top plane. So what do we have? Come here from the center. So click here. We expand. So the dimension is, here is 432. Then here 1016. So we have something like this. Then you come to 3D model, click on extrude. For this particular job, I'll extrude it to 20. I'll extrude to 20. 20. I think I could keep it symmetric. Click OK. So this is what I have now. So this is what I have. And what's the next thing? Then the top, like this area where you can see my cursor. So let's go. That's 483. 483. Okay, 483. So I will rotate. I'll click here, sketch. First I'll just click on this geometry now. Okay, so 483. So I'll just click on geometry. I'll click this face. Then I get to see that. Then I'll click offset. I'll click here, inside or out. I've explained that before. So we'll take inside. So I'll take a considerable length. Let me take 25. Okay, let's see the length again. 483. Okay, 483. I'll come here. Then I go to 3D model. Watch. I click here now. That's it. 483. 483. 483. You have something like this. So we have been able to get something like this. So what's the next step? Let's see how we can bring out these features. Just this small features. Mind you, we have 483. Well, what was this? We have 483 and we have 483 and this side is 737. 737. Okay, 737. So the top, that's 737. Come here. Watch please. So I'll take here, I'll come here, I'll click here, sketch. So let's see it again. 737, watch. I also check that's for the height. That's for the height. So we can have something like this. Okay, now come to this part. Watch. First, let's get the dimension. Yeah, 737. So we have something like that. Then if we come to this area, they said the not the first height, this, and we don't know the distance from here, so I'll just be considerable distance. If it's 9, it's not going to be 914. It's not going to be 914. So watch what I'm going to do. Watch this. It's not going to 914. So I'm just going to make out. So what I'm going to do. So I'll come to this area. So let me say 800. 800. We'll be doing some modifications ourselves also. So if we say, for example, for here now, watch this. I'll zoom in. I click here and I click here. I say 80. That has been constrained to that area. Then if I come here and click here and I click here, it's not going to accept because I already given it a dimension here. That's 800. So what I have to do, I'll click here and delete. So I'll double click here. I'll click here and tap delete. So let's see if I can constrain here. Watch from here to here. If I say 80, like just to keep it in the center. If I have something like this now, watch. So I've been able to get something like this. Watch. So if I keep it on the normal, then what's the next thing? Watch please. So I come to model and extrude to 305. But 305 is not the actual. So I'll come here. Watch. This area extrude. So I'll click reverse. Let's see how 305. 305. 305 is not the actual size. So I'll say 305 minus 10. I'm okay with that. 305 minus 10. So I have something like this now. Mind you, I'll come here and because I want to sketch, I want to get the top. Watch. I want to get the top like this now. As it's looking, I want to see how I can be able to get the top. So I can come here, watch, come to this area, click here and sketch. So I get to have something like this. But I can also click on this geometry, this surface, then click offset, click, I have something like this. Then if we want to check the, it's a 914. So I'll use 914. Let me see here. Let's see here. Can we get that? the 914. Then this, what was the dimension? Dimension was 305. So come to this area. Okay, it's already accepted. So cancel. So we can have something like this. Then what? Then if we rotate, watch please. We click on rotate, click on 3D model, extrude. Well, wait, yeah, and yeah. So like goes up. So just make it 20. Let's see, 20. Okay. So we have something like this now. I'm sure you're not seeing the beauty now. Okay, guys. So I actually skipped some steps, but let me show you how I did it. So it's for this, this, and this. So let's start from here. From here, I actually did this. So I did sketch. Let me edit the sketch. I did an inverse of thickness 25. Like I did the inverse of the thickness of 25. So let's see if I'm to delete it. Let's see. One, come here, two, three, four, and five. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. So we have something like this. Now click here, sketch. You have something like this. You click on geometry. You click here. You have this yellow. You come to offset. Click here, inverse. So don't make 25. We're good to go with that. Then we come to 3D model. Click on extrude. We are going to be on the cut area. So click here, make it 300. Let's see, 300. 300 is okay. Yes. Oh, 300 was able to cut through. So click on edit feature. 300 was like cutting through. So say 280. 280 was okay. So you can see 280, we're able to get something like this. Then come to this area, please. Come here, click on sketch, then rectangle, rectangle, watch. So do this one, we have here two, and we have here three. So come to smart dimension here to here, I'll make it 140. Watch please, from here to here, 140. Then from here to here, 140. And from here to here, I'll make it 25. From here to here, I'll make it 25. And from here to here, I'll make it 25. So after doing this, the next thing, I'll come to 3D model, I'll click on extrude. I'll click here 1, 2, and 3. Then up to where? Up to, I'm looking for up to where. I click here, up to this area. Okay. So I've been able to get something like this now. Now I just want to create a little opening, like a little slide, like something like a slide, but I'm not going to use. So I'll click here and click this. So I'll just come to this rectangle, just use this this point, something simple, and okay. Like this is okay now. 3D model extrude, just something like 10 is okay. So you can just let me rotate so you get to see the thickness. Just something like this, okay. So let's see. So just something closed. So I've been able to get something close like now. Come here, sketch, just a little cycle, just like the dimension it, let's say 25. Then from here to here, say 50. I'll come to 3D model, click on extrude. Okay, then let's say -5. Let's say it goes okay. So I have something like this now. Now let's see how we can add the appearance. So come here, 1, 2. I learned some colors. So let me see. Let's see this. Let's use this. Stone. Okay, let's use. Then for this, we'll use. Okay, for this, the whole entire body. You can decide to use build. Okay. Okay. So we have something like this. Here, bridge. So then we can just add one, two, three. Can zoom in. Then we can rotate. Can rotate. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's add something different. So we have something like this. So guys, then the handle we could actually make something like this. The handle, don't make it black. All handles should be holding the same colors. So just put any color. Let's say get it brown. Like so we have been able to do this particular job. So guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.